December is the month when the veil of the year grows thin, not in a mystical sense, but in an emotional one. The cold presses in, nights lengthen, and the world outside seems to move more slowly, inviting us inward toward hearth, home, and the quiet rituals that remind us who we are. For the kitchen witch, this is not a season of scarcity. It is a season of returning to warmth, to nourishment, to the gentle alchemy that happens when herbs meet hot water, when spices bloom in a simmering pot, when intention is stirred clockwise with a wooden spoon. December asks us to soften, to ground, to create small spells of comfort that warm not only the body, but the spirit. And so we turn, as our ancestors did, to the simple magic waiting on our shelves. Warming herbs are more than flavors. They are old winter guardians. They protect, energize, soothe, and keep our inner flame alive when the outer world grows cold. Each one carries a symbolic heat, the reminder that life continues glowing beneath the frost. Ginger is a spark of courage in root form. It is the witch's ally for circulation, passion, inner ignition, and renewed vitality. A slice in hot water becomes a spell for waking up your creative fire. Cinnamon represents sweet warmth, sacred to prosperity and protection. Stirring cinnamon into oat milk or tea is a tiny winter invocation. May the home be safe. May the heart be open. May abundance find its way to the door. Cloves are for clearing stagnant energy, offering protection, and blessing your space. They add a dark, comforting warmth to mulled potions and simmer pots. Cardamom is a gentle heart opener. December can tighten the chest with stress, nostalgia, or tenderness. Cardamom softens the edges, making space for emotional healing and quiet joy. Nutmeg is a soft whisper of magic. It has always been considered a charm of luck, intuition, and good fortune. Perfect for year-end rituals when you're preparing your energy for the new year. Rosemary purifies, restores memory, and awakens intuition. It's the evergreen reminder that even in cold months, life endures. Together, these herbs become not just culinary ingredients, but winter talismans. Each cup, each stew, each simmer pot, a spell of protection and comfort. In December, potions become emotional nourishment, warmth becomes a practice, and the kitchen becomes a sanctuary. Here are a few soft spells the kitchen witch crafts during this season. Hearth-Warming tea is a blend of ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom, steeped in honey-sweetened water, creating a grounding potion for courage and winter clarity. Stir clockwise to invite warmth in. Whisper a gratitude for something your heart is holding carefully this season. Winter Solstice Cacao is a rich, dark cup with a pinch of nutmeg and chili, a ritual drink for heart expansion, inner fire, and calling back your light as the longest night approaches. Drink slowly. Cacao is a teacher, not a beverage. Create a protection and peace simmer pot. Add citrus for brightness, cinnamon for protection, cloves for grounding, rosemary for clarity. Let it fill your home with the scent of safety, blessing, and winter serenity. Make a moonlit milk, a warm oat milk with lavender, a hint of vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon. A potion for deep rest, intuition, and dream work, especially powerful in the dark, reflective last weeks of the year. Sip before journaling or setting intentions. Kitchen witchcraft in winter is not about grand rituals. It's about remembering that small acts done with presence soften entire seasons of life. A warmed mug between your palms, a candle glowing on the counter, the scent of herbs rising like a blessing, soup simmering slowly while the world outside stands still. December magic is sensory. It's slow. It's tender. It reminds us that healing often happens in the quiet moments, when you're stirring a pot, lighting a stove, or wrapping your hands around something warm while the wind whispers at the windows. May your pots bubble with nourishment. May your herbs awaken ancient wisdom within you. May your home be wrapped in warmth and gentle enchantment. May every cup you sip remind you that your inner fire never went out. It simply waited for you to return to it.